ehlafuna ngutatakhe jonga nditsho seyikhafuna esayivula umlomo uvula ingathi ngutatakhe yule umuntu azala benjena ngutatakhe abana nje bafuna uhamba nje jonga utata ngenxele ingathi ngutata ngenxele
Wife number 5, Makhwela Mseleku, just posted pictures of her baby, her newborn. It was also revealed that the baby was born in January, and people were flooding her comments, how people are, and to such an extent that she ended up deactivating her TikTok account, or maybe she set it on private, but that's the tea. Anyways, what I'm here to talk about is people were speculating about the gender. Last time they had said Musa Mseleku had accidentally revealed the gender of the baby, saying it's a boy. However, the same people were here again asking the gender on the comments. Well, Musa Mseleku said it was too early to talk about that, okay, and she was not comfortable and she was gonna let them know, okay. So other people say there were a lot of pink in these pictures, and they were speculating it's a girl. Well, while the others were saying look at the head of the baby, that must be a boy. So you guys tell me what you think in the comment section down below. See you on the next video.